entrepreneur, are you willing to take ownership of your life and business? Are you self-directed, action-oriented, and highly engaged? Are you highly resilient, resourceful, and solution-oriented? Are you cultivating curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking? Are you following through on simple solutions for unforeseen opportunities? Are you creating value for others? Are you capable of critical guidance? If your answer to all these questions is in the affirmative, that is yes, then you possess all the ingredients for success as an entrepreneur. You definitely deserve accolade for having an entrepreneurial mindset. In case of any deficiency in this direction, it's time to correct your course. Then probably path to success is no longer distant. Hi, I'm Chanakya Shah. Welcome to my YouTube channel of finance and business coaching. I'm a chartered accountant, entrepreneur, founder, and CEO of my outfit, Holistic Business Consulting. I have 15 years of professional experience and have serviced more than 500 diverse clientele. What is mindset? Our mindset is the underlying mechanism that can expose opportunities. It can ignite our ambition, engaging our faculties in ways that enable us to flourish and thrive. On a negative side, our mindset can also blind us to opportunities and hinder our ability to learn and grow. What do you mean by entrepreneurial mindset? An entrepreneurial mindset is a specific set of beliefs, knowledge, and thought processes that drive entrepreneurial behavior. Entrepreneurial mindset refers to a specific state of mind which orients human conduct towards entrepreneurial activities and outcomes. Individuals with entrepreneurial mindsets are often drawn to opportunities, innovation, and new value creation. Incorporating an entrepreneurial mindset into your everyday life will help you to minimize the importance of failure and rejection in your life. 8 P's of entrepreneurial mindset are perception, passion, people, proactiveness, perseverance, potential, persistent learning, and permanent change. How will you spot a successful entrepreneur? Yes, by traits associated typically with this persona, like good leader, optimistic, confident, passionate, disciplined, proactive, open-minded, competitive, and compassionate. How significant is entrepreneurial mindset to growth momentum of entrepreneurial journey? Entrepreneurial mindset can aid creation of confidence, enable capitalizing on emerging opportunities, encourage risk-taking ability, facilitate setting of goals and milestones for self-improvement. Entrepreneurs know they can improve a situation and create new opportunities by adopting the concept of SMART, which is specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-sensitive. Entrepreneurial journey traverses through various stages. Without an iota of doubt, such a tedious entrepreneurial journey is made substantially easy with imbibing an entrepreneurial mindset. The basic ingredients of entrepreneurial mindset. The recipe for cultivating entrepreneurial mindset warrants a mix of basic ingredients like vision, passion, experiment, value, innovation, balance in work and life, networking, and marketing. Fabric of entrepreneurial mindset essentially rests on a range of factors like critical thinking, flexibility and adaptability, communication and collaboration, risk-taking ability, initiative, future orientation, identification of opportunity, and creativity and innovation. How to then cultivate entrepreneurial mindset? To be a successful entrepreneur requires outside-the-box thinking, larger-than-life ideas, creative, communicative, and high motivation to succeed, and open to risk and failure. There is a certain amalgam of skills and traits which allow some entrepreneurs to become wildly successful. Here they are. A positive mental attitude. A positive attitude and outlook is essential for successful entrepreneurs. The mindset of the head of the company sets the tone for the rest of the company and influences corporate culture. When you are the boss, a positive attitude influences others in a similarly positive way. Second is creative mindset. As you know, creativity is the mother of invention, is most relevant for the world of entrepreneurship. Creativity is needed for entrepreneurial success. The mind of an entrepreneur is always looking for novel ideas and innovations. The basic life cycle of any entrepreneurial product stems from the conception of an idea followed by turning that idea into a viable product or service. Number 3, persuasive communication ability. The best entrepreneurs are persuasive individuals. The power of persuasion can help them to negotiate and close a sale. Number 4, intrinsic motivation and drive. Intrinsic motivation means one should be self-motivated. Having a lot at stake personally fuels the motivational drive. Then how can you cultivate intrinsic motivation for business? One way to stay motivated in the long run is to keep the focus on the end game, the big picture. Where is your company headed? What plans do you have in future to grow and expand? Formulating long-range goals and plans keeps the motivational fires burning. Number 5, tenacity and an ability to learn from failure. The key to learning from failure is to actually learn and embrace your mistakes so they make you better and not break you. Never ever expect yourself to be perfect in the pursuit of your business dream. Failure is inevitable, but your reaction to your failure is what you make of it. Here's how to cultivate that and use your failure to come out even more successful in long term. Don't attach judgment or blame when you fail. Business failure should not make you feel ashamed or embarrassed. Do your best to remove the emotion from mistakes you make as an entrepreneur so you can logically explore how to better yourself and your company. Turn off your negative self-talk and learn to say, "Now I know better" for next time instead. Use tough times to learn from adversity. Let times of adversity lead you to strength. Failure can be your best chance to learn how to do something right. Use these setbacks to develop ideas and tactics of how you want to run your business in the future. Don't be afraid to change course and reset. Even the best laid plans will sometimes go awry. That's the nature of life as well as business. There will come a time when you may realize that something simply is not working. You may have to adjust your planned course, reset and start over. And finally, never give up. Can we gauge the vitality of entrepreneurial mindset? An entrepreneurial mindset offers an array of powerful benefits for business owners or entrepreneurs to thrive both personally and professionally. It helps in improvement of entrepreneurial skills like confidence, resilience, and enthusiasm, and provides a springboard to success. It enhances happiness at work and at home. Adopting an entrepreneurial mindset allows the development of these skills so that it is possible to work better and feel happier while at work and at home. It bolsters development of confidence. It encourages risk-taking ability to capitalize on emerging opportunities. It improves leadership style and benefit general social interaction with co-workers. It helps understanding how to manage personal skills and attitude. Setting goals and milestones for self-improvement is much easier if equipped with relevant entrepreneurial skills. Being able to use constructive criticism positively and not interpret the criticism personally is something that can be developed over time through a continuous entrepreneurial mindset. Resilience and strong will converts difficult situations from negative to positive. These difficult situations can frequently appear in both professional and personal life and can cause a decrease in motivation and a lower chance of success if the situation is handled incorrectly or without resilience. Enthusiasm is another entrepreneurial skill that can be adopted with an entrepreneurial mindset. Then, how to develop an entrepreneurial mindset? Successful entrepreneurs never think that they know it all. Successful entrepreneurs choose their emotional battles carefully and avoid stressing about things that they can't change. Stay in the present moment. Value your network and celebrate the success of others. Entrepreneurial mindset alters your vision of life altogether. It gives you a go-getter attitude. It helps fully understand importance of planning. You are not afraid of experimentations. It helps develop creative mindset. You know the importance of value creation. Mind you, creation of entrepreneurial mindset constitutes a sine qua non for success of any enterprise under the stewardship of entrepreneurs in the backdrop of fast-changing dynamics of modern business. As in the words of Marie Forleo, never start a business just to make money. Start business to make a difference. Hi, if you're interested in developing an entrepreneurial mindset, do contact us immediately. Our details are given in the description box. In case you like the video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any videos. Thanks for watching.